DJI has been busy, like really busy. In just 2 days, they rolled out the RS4 Mini, the Osmo Mobile 7, and the slightly upgraded Osmo Mobile 7P, which by the way is currently going for $149 on Amazon. But here's where things get interesting. Leaks suggest they're not done yet. According to leaker Igor Bogdanov, DJI has 2 more action cameras in the pipeline, the Osmo 360 and the Osmo Action 6. The Osmo 360 marks DJI's first attempt at a full 360-degree action cam, designed to compete with heavyweights like the Insta360 X4 and the recently refreshed GoPro Max 2025. And by refreshed, I mean GoPro made a few minor hardware tweaks and called it a day. If you're curious about that, we've got a full video breaking it down, go check it out. Then there's the Osmo Action 6, DJI's next shot at a traditional action cam ready to go up against the GoPro Hero 13 Black. But here's where things get a little tricky. It kind of puts DJI's own Osmo Action 5 Pro in an awkward spot. On one hand, the Action 6 makes it feel like an older model overnight. On the other, there's no indication that DJI is planning to discontinue it anytime soon. So for now, it looks like both models will stick around. If you want to deep dive into all the leaks and rumors about the Action 6, we've already covered it in a dedicated video. Check it out for all the details. As for when these new cameras are dropping, that's still up in the air. Leaked test shots suggest DJI isn't quite ready to make them official just yet. And then there's the mysterious Osmo Nano, another rumored device that's even more of a wild card. No leaks, no solid details, just whispers for now. So what do you think? Is DJI setting itself up for a massive year in action cameras, or are they just throwing too many options into the mix? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, catch you in the next one.